If your door is solid wood or metal, additional reinforcement is often still necessary to protect against forced entry. Even when a door is made from solid wood or metal, the hardware and frame determine how well it resists a kick or pry attack. Start by inspecting the strike plate area and latch. Replace the factory strike plate with a heavy-duty one and fasten it with screws that reach the structural framing behind the jamb. Use screws that are at least 3 inches long and drive them into the stud, not just the jamb. Upgrade the latch and deadbolt to meet higher resistance ratings and make sure the bolt extends fully into a reinforced strike box. Consider a reinforced door jamb or a jamb reinforcement kit that distributes force across a larger area of the frame rather than concentrating it at the screw holes. For doors that open outward, add hinge side security by installing security hinges with non-removable pins or through bolting hinge screws into the framing. Finally, think of layered security by combining hardware upgrades with a reinforcing plate around the lock area and using long screws at all hinge and strike locations so that the entire assembly works together to resist impact. 3 common issues are assuming a solid door alone is sufficient, relying on short screws and strike plates and hinges, and neglecting the frame or surrounding trim. Homeowners often believe that material thickness equals security, yet a strong door can still fail if the strike plate is only attached to thin jamb wood. Fix this by replacing the strike with a reinforced model and using long screws into the stud. Using the short screws that come with hardware will let the door pull away under force. Replace them with 3-inch screws at every hinge and strike location. Finally, people ignore the frame and focus only on the door itself. Reinforce the jamb with a metal plate or install a frame reinforcement kit so the force spreads into the wall structure. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and with each other to discuss practical ways to reinforce doors and frames. We provide a discussion community where we share experiences, compare hardware options, and help contractors find work by showcasing projects and homeowner requests.